we are going to review top 5 best heavy-duty glue gun. List number 1. Gorilla Dual Temp Glue Gun. The Gorilla Dual Temp Glue Gun is the best overall product on our list because it's great for both professional and DIY usage. The product comes with 30 mini glue sticks that can be fed into the gun and used. You won't have to worry about your hand tiring out because this glue gun is lightweight and has an easy-to-pull trigger. Dual temp, precision nozzle, easy squeeze trigger, enhanced safety features, built-in stand, wide base. Do not pull glue sticks from glue gun. If changing glue, feed remainder of glue stick through glue gun. Gorilla Hot Glue Sticks, weather resistant for indoor and outdoor use, safe for both high and. List number 2. WorkPro Cordless Hot Glue Gun. Automatic glue guns are easy to use and can be safer than manual ones. The WorkPro Cordless Hot Glue Gun has a 200-watt PTC heating system that can melt glue in under 3 minutes, and keeps it hot for even longer. To save power and ensure safety, the gun powers off after 5 minutes of inactivity, but you can easily use the gun continuously for up to 25 minutes. Best of all, its professional and sturdy design ensures this glue gun will not topple over when on standby. You don't even need to worry about buying glue sticks, as this glue gun includes 20 glue sticks to start. The glue gun features a fast 2 minutes warm-up time. List number 3. ADTECH Industrial Glue Gun. With professional glue guns, you can expect better precision, less waste, and more efficient heating. The ADTECH Industrial Glue Gun gives you all this and more with its highly professional design. With the help of this product, you can heat the glue to high temperatures in a matter of minutes. This hot melt glue gun also dispenses 3.5 pounds of glue in an hour, making it both fast and efficient to use, while the precision tip helps with any tight spots you may have to reach. The ADTECH Pro 200 standard size high output hot melt glue gun is powerful enough for carpentry, home repairs, DIY and remodeling projects. List number 4. Glurious Mini Hot Glue Gun. When it comes to DIY glue guns, the Glurious Mini Hot Glue Gun is a class apart. The product's design ensures the safety of the user with great features like the anti-drip nozzle. The safe power switch allows you to cut off power to the gun without having to manually pull the plug out from the socket. And, even better, you can easily keep this glue gun on standby when not in use, and the glue stays warm for longer than most other glue guns. With 30 glue sticks included, you can start crafting away in no time. Glurious Hot Melt Glue Gun is equipped with a retractable metal stand that makes it super easy and flexible to use for standby. List number 5. Mr. Penn Hot Glue Gun. Last, but certainly not least, the final product on our list is the Mr. Penn Hot Glue Gun. This 20-watt mini, hot melt glue gun is perfect for use around the house, in the office, or for small crafts. It can easily heat glue while keeping it from spilling with its anti-hot cover, while the built-in stand ensures that you can easily put the gun on standby. And, if you're looking for variety, you can use this glue gun on many different materials such as paper, fabric, metal, glass, and much more. It, unfortunately, only includes 10 starter glue sticks, but at least those are enough to begin crafting.